All right, the last problem, I couldn't get it in the 15 minutes. I can't make videos more than 15 minutes until I get that situation fixed. So parabolic arch. Parabolic arch. So it looks like this. I'm going to make 0, 0 here in the corner. I think that works out better for this one. It spans 100 feet. So this is 100, 0. And the center would be 50 over. And then it's as high as 20 feet. So it'd be 20 high. All right, so the first thing we want to do is we want to write the equation of this. I want to write the equation of this. So y is equal to ax minus h squared plus k. So my y value, I'm going to use 0, 0. My x value I'm going to use is also 0. Minus h, we minus 50 over squared and up 20. Okay, so this would be 0 is equal to 2,500, because 50 times 50, because it'd be negative, but you square it. So 50 times 50 is 2,500, a plus this, minus the 220 over, we get 2,500, a, divide the 2,500 over, minus 2 over 2,000, minus 20 over 2,500. And it looks like I said 8 over 1,000. Did I do something wrong? I don't know. Equals a. So negative 20 over 2,500 x minus h minus 50 squared. Oh, I see. It's different. Plus k, which is 20. So let me check my math here. 8 divided by 1,000 is that, and 20 divided by 2,500 is the same thing. Okay, so I do have the correct equation. Panic there for a second. All right. So if you wanted to, you could use negative 0.008. So there's my h and k. So my equation is y is equal to negative 0.008 x minus 50 squared plus 20. So we have the equation, put in the h and k and the x and y, and I solve for a, subtract the 20, divide. Yes, there it is. Okay, now we want to know, calculate the height of the arch 20 feet from the center. So if I go over 20 feet, I'm really at the point 30 something. So I got to put 30 into the equation, not 20, because I'm going over 20 feet from the center. So I need to put 30 into this equation. So y is equal to negative 0.008, 30 minus 50 squared plus 20. So I type that in, and it'd be negative 0.008 times the quantity 30 minus 50 quantity squared plus 20, 16.8. So y is 16.8 feet. So if I go over 30, I'd be up 16.8 feet. If I'm at 50 in the center, I'm up 20 feet. So it's an upside down parabolic arch thing. All right, so if you want to make, this is basically completing the square. If you wanted to have one solution, that needs to be 25, because then it would go do this. It'd be x minus 5x minus 5, which is x minus 5 quantity squared. So that would, the c is 25, would make it just have one x-intercept. It's half the middle term squared. It's completing the square.